Hi everyone, this is Shivani here. Welcome to my channel Shivani Creations. My today's project is how to make these super gorgeous vellum paper flowers envelope. So I will share from scratch how to cut the flowers, how to color it, how to emboss it without any special tools. You can make it very easily at home, and you can just open the envelope like this by opening the ribbon, and inside this you can put the money. The color combination is so festive and so vibrant. So without any further delay, let's start with the procedure. I'm starting with making the vellum flower. So here I'm taking 2 cm diameter vellum paper circle, and I have just folded this in half from both the directions so that we have 4 divisions. Now first I'm dividing this circle in 8 equal parts. So cut from top towards the center. Don't cut it exactly till the center, just leave little gap, and dividing the circle in 8 parts. Then dividing each part into half part again. So in total we will have 16 divisions. Now shaping each petal like this in a curved manner from one direction. Now rotate your flower and again cut it from another direction. So you will have this beautiful daisy flower cut out ready. Now to color the flower, I am first starting with the coloring the edges using white marker. It will enhance the beauty of the flower little more. And then to color this from center, I am just using here pink color marker. Add little bit of color on back side and then spreading the color using wet brush. So from front it will look like this, very pastel and translucent. Then to emboss the flower, here I am taking a bunch of tissue paper, putting my flower back side up, and then using my quilling tool I am just shaping each petal from top towards the center. We have to drag our tool on each petal so that it will have nice curved shape. And it will look like this. I'm just gathering all the petals again just to bend it little more. Then open the petals and put it on your palm. Just push using any backside of brush in the center of the flower to make it nice cuppy shape. And the flower is ready. With the same method I have prepared one more flower. Now joining both the layers together and creating the layered daisy flower. Then adding glue in the center and just pouring some white color flower pearls in the center of the flower. And this is completely ready, looking absolutely gorgeous. Now If you have dies, you can cut your vellum paper directly on your die cutting machine. So for the smaller flower, I am using here 8 petal die, just coloring from backside using dark pink marker and doing the same embossing technique using ball tool, and the base I am using tissue paper bunch. Push it on your palm and adding 3 layers together to create one single flower. Then add glue in the center and pouring some white flower petals. And this is ready. So we have total 2 bigger flower and 4 small flowers. Now to create leaf, here I have already cut my leaves using die and coloring the leaf from bottom using little bit of green and yellow. Then spreading it immediately using wet brush to do the nice shading. And then again putting it on the tissue paper bunch and just creating one straight line using ball tool to create the ven look or the ven of the leaf like this. Similarly, I have prepared lots of leaves already. Some leaves in darker green and some leaves in lighter shade of green. Then I am starting with making the envelope. So here I am taking 20 by 21 cm grey color cardstock. From left side I have creased at 6 and 14 cm. Now folding both the crease parts and burnish it nicely using bone folder. Now rotating the sheet, and from both the sides I have creased at 1 cm. Now we have to create some cuts to construct our envelope shape in all 4 corners. Then remaining center parts I am folding it like this. And we will stick the bottom part on these folded strips using glue. So the envelope base is completely ready. Now to create a closure of the envelope, on the flap I am attaching the double-sided tacky tape from inside, just aligning it exactly in the center, removing the liner and sticking baby pink color satin ribbon. And then putting one light pink color cardstock on top of this. Like this. Now on another side I am attaching one more part of ribbon. So from back side I am attaching double-sided tacky tape again, removing the liner and sticking the other part of ribbon. Then decorating this also using pink color cardstock. Then in the front part I am adding this beautiful designer paper in the rose pattern. And then in the bottom I am going to decorate with some glitter strips. So here I am taking purple color cardstock and just decorating it using these glitter cardstock strips vertically. So I have covered whole cardstock using these strips. Now just cutting the strips which are coming out and then decorating the envelope using this beautiful glittered strip pattern paper. And our beautiful envelope base is completely ready and decorated. Now here I have this beautiful sentiment with love which I am going to attach on right side, but before that I am decorating the top and bottom of the front flap using this beautiful scallop border design. If you don't have border punch or border dies, you can also use crochet laces to decorate your work. Then I am adding the sentiment with love. On back side of this I have added few layers of cardstock or cardboard to give little dimension. You can also use foam tape. And this is nicely attached. So this is ready. Now it's time to decorate the envelope with flowers. And one by one I will stick the bigger flowers, smaller flowers and the leaves. Then randomly here and there I am adding some purple colored stones just to enhance the beauty of the card little more. And the super gorgeous vellum paper flower envelope is completely ready. You can simply put the money inside the envelope and make a bow knot like this. The beautiful shabby chic envelope is completely ready. So that's it for today. Hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more interesting videos and please click on bell icon for the latest updates and notifications. I am waiting for your comments eagerly. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.